guys, it's Tin Man here. Got a lot more activity going on with this thing. Constantly just doing little picks at it. Along with doing all kinds of other kinds of scratching damage. Scraping damage. Fake crack lines. Like, look at this. Like, this one's coming in from here. And this one's coming in from here. Now this, oh, it looks like they have started to bring him over. Cool. So it looks, if my eye's getting it right, it's going, and right here is, you can see it to here, and you see those other little marks in there and stuff. Do this little change for you so you can see it a little bit better. Whoops. So what that is just being valleyed out, guys. That's like, you hear that beeping behind us? That's like some kind of machinery just digging a trench through here. What kind of machinery? Well, I suspect a claw, but who knows? Could be a hammer and chisel. And we see new damage there. Stuff just going on here. I still continue to crack it in the middle there. Whoops. Somewhat there it looks like. Make it look like this wall is very faulty. And somewhat falling apart. Give you an idea of the thickness there like that. Be able to tell by how it, whoops, gets wider and wider, closer to there. And I'm also noticing on these, they're starting to break away the grout out of them now. This amount of rust hasn't been to this heavily calculated anywhere, but you can see it breaking through a lot of the railing. Just in this year, it's getting, well, I don't think any of that had the rust look in it at all before. We'll go down that way. Look at right here. I think I had that. Oh yeah, these two right here will be very good ones to look at. Get myself out of some color here so you can see what they're doing. They do a grout here or something. Oh, look at that, their grout kind of failed. See, if that was us doing the grout, it would be going a lot more widespread. So this darkness rub in here and stuff like that, that's so many times part of the language of what's going on. Anybody who knows concrete knows that this is something's going on here. Jump over to this one here. See the skipping of marks there going on there or something? And then we can come up to it here. Follow it right up. Maybe see if I can get that in the light a little bit. This one here they have connected. Watch the next one we're going to here. Just notice that, you know, the big chunk there being worked out right here. Yeah, right there. Here. I forgot, they're starting to break away, crack the curbs on the bridgeway too. And this one almost looks like it's leading to it. So you see that little break there? I'm just going to do this little shine here and bring this back up. Oops. I got my pole out a little bit long here, but it's working. So you see that, eh? Look how silly. But that's what we are seeing. We're seeing guys who are testing different things. So these cracks are being indicated to us like they're structural breaks. They're going all the way through. There's got to be a structural, and I was looking at the design of this bridge. I don't really fully get what the guy's done here with using this as a beam. And the reason I'm saying there is because I thought we would already be seeing some steel right here. Because we're 2 inches in and we're 2 inches down, but maybe it's right there. So I don't know how much the engineer used this as a structural beam. He should have. Shouldn't have put these looky-loo joints in here. And he shouldn't have, and he should have made it a structural beam. Is there anything else I want to... Well, you see all this, guys? That's all it. That's them doing their work. You see all that cracking going on and stuff right here? These ones there are old fill-ins. Here's another one where they're doing whatever there. And yeah, look at this one right here. You can see the nice work on it even. See that scored side? Peace out from the Tin Man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for doing whatever you're doing.